Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that some of you asked me is why in 24H2 a lot of customization apps like Explorer Patcher, for example, Startallback will be breaking. It has come to attention that these apps are broken with 24H2. A lot of people are saying, well, it's because Microsoft is breaking them on purpose, or actually, it's not that. It's that these apps rely on old Windows code to do their magic and and change and customize the user interface. In 24H2, there's a lot of changes that are happening to the Start menu code and the UI code, which simply makes it incompatible. So, which means these apps will have to find a way to use the new code to do it. So, that has nothing to do with they don't want to. Honestly, Microsoft probably doesn't care. It's really just because the new code for the UI, and if you're Microsoft and you're working on Windows, you're not going to be careful in we won't change this code or we won't do it this way because it might break third-party apps. That's not something Microsoft thinks about. But there is good news about another app, which is Start11. If you are using Start11, Start11 apparently is not broken because Start11 is different. Start11, instead of using the legacy code from Windows, it has its own code for the UI. So that's why Start11 is not affected, because Start11 replaces the code with its own instead of relying on old code. So it's something that probably, I guess the others will probably follow and fix their code in order to have these customizing apps work. A lot of people use them because they don't like the interface. They want to have it back as something else. Some use it to put it back as Windows 7 look, some as Windows 10. It's it's something that can happen. These apps, they play with the customization. Microsoft changes things from time to time, and what happens is that it breaks something here and there for some of these third-party apps. So I would guess that by 24H2, all of these apps will have fixed the reason why they don't work. And in any case, Start11 is apparently working just fine and will not be broken by the changes Microsoft is pushing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.